Alright guys, today I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new portable DJ stand. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and actually set it up. First off, the pieces are all well organized, so you don't need any tools to actually assemble it, which makes the process quick and easy. The frame unfolds smoothly and the adjustable feet screw in easily to keep it stable. Once the main frame is set, you got these ventilation holes that keep your equipment cool, which is a nice touch if you're using it for long gigs. Now that it's fully set up, let's take a closer look. The stand looks professional right away. The black panel that I put on it does have a white option as well. It's perfect for indoor events where you want a clean, polished setup. It hides all your cables and it really lets the lighting effect stand out. If you're doing any kind of wedding or outdoor event, you can switch it to the white panel for a brighter, more aesthetic vibe. Changing them out is easy as peeling off and retaching the Velcro. The tabletop is really awesome. With 40 by 20 inches of space, you can fit everything you need: your DJ controller, laptop, mixer, and even speakers if needed. It's laid out efficiently and the cable hole keeps everything organized so you're not dealing with a mess of cords while you're performing. So let's see how this stand works in action in my example. I've got my laptop, an extra display, and a couple of lights, and there was still plenty of room on the tabletop. The layout makes it easy to keep everything organized and within reach so you're not struggling for space while you're working. The cable management hole keeps everything tidy so cords aren't getting in the way of your setup. Moving around the stand feels natural. It's the right height for standing and performing without hunching over, and because the frame is so sturdy, I don't have to worry about anything shifting or tipping over while working. Even with all the gear on it, it stays solid and steady, which gives me peace of mind. If I needed to move it between sets, it folds down compactly and fits into a carrying bag, making it super easy to pack up and go. Whether you're at a party, wedding, or corporate event, this stand really elevates your DJ setup and keeps looking professional and organized. So if you guys are looking for a new DJ set, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.